Welcome to Bright Future. I am Richa Singh and today we are going to learn name of the months. Though name of the months are not very much difficult, but here in today's video we are going to learn name of the months by an activity. Also we are going to learn the pronunciation. This video is going to be an interesting one, so watch the video till the end to see what is here for you. Now, one by one, I am going to share introduction, objectives and how we are going to conduct this activity. So here we are going to learn all the name of the months like January, February, March, April, May, June, etc. Majorly here is a focus and to make this activity interesting for the learners. So this activity can be done with any age group who is learning English. Now the objective of this activity or the video, it is to help learners know the name of the months. Also, it is to help learners know the correct pronunciation and enunciation of it, to help learners communicate in English. Also, this video is for teachers who can learn the activity and make the class environment fun, joyful experience for students. Let's understand the pronunciation of the months. So first one is January. January. Pronounce with me, January. Then February. 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 March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. December. If you want, you can repeat the pronunciation. Pause the video and go back and read the pronunciation. Please pronounce first one January, second one February, third March, fourth April, fifth May, sixth June, seventh July, 8th August, 9th September, 10th October, 10th October, 11th November, November, 12th December, December. Now I think you have practiced the pronunciation of the months. Now let's see how this activity is going to happen. If you want, you can recheck the pronunciation. Now it's the activity time. For this, we are going to require some paper cutouts, and then those A4 size sheets we need to cut in half. Then make 12 cutouts. 12 cutouts means for 12 different months, distribute it in 12 students. Now how to conduct this activity? So 12 students will have 12 blank sheets, and on those sheets they are going to write name of the months one by one. Like January, on one sheet they'll write January, another sheet they'll write February, and then so on. Then the learners are going to write the name of the month, and the name of the month should not be repeated. So you assign the name of the month to a student and after that do it. Then learners to paste those slips on their back. Then they need to arrange themselves in a queue, like a line they need to arrange themselves, and after that one by one they are going to pronounce the words, speak the words. They will arrange themselves as per the sequence and then they are going to pronounce. Now let's see the demonstration. Demonstration is going to be the interesting one, so don't forget to watch this till the end. And if you're liking the video, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to share with everybody. You can see here everybody has pasted names of the month on their back. Now these names of the month are not written in the sequence. So somebody has written January somewhere, then May, October, December. Now second step is they are going to arrange themselves. Please sit down and listen to the instructions. Now everybody, please be silent. Okay. So what is going to happen? Now these are the name of months. यहाँ पे सारे name of months हैं. Now we have to arrange these name of months because these are not in well mannered. These are not in sequence. Right? So 12 people, 12 name of months on the back. Now what we need to do? We need to arrange ourselves in sequence. Okay? हम सभी को sequence में arrange करना है. Now sequence में arrange कैसे करेंगे? We have to arrange while talking, but we need to make sure that we use only English. We do not use Hindi. Also, we take care of personal space. We do not say that, okay, November come here, December go there. Okay, so we have to take care of personal space as well. Is it clear? Yes. Yes? So now, and only English. Fine? If somebody is telling you in Hindi, you will not move. Okay? Now you can arrange yourself in sequence. So January, February, March, April, like that. So in sequence, from this side, January needs to be this side. Now you arrange yourself. Now you can face. Now you can talk to one another. Hindi? Are you speaking in Hindi? English? I'm listening. Yes. Yes. March. Okay. February. Found November. Okay, now one by one you will call the name of a month which is on your back. Okay, one by one, louder. And everybody, we will listen to the person who is speaking if the pronunciation is correct. अगर pronunciation correct है या नहीं है, हम इस चीज को check करेंगे. Okay, you have to be louder.
January, February, March, April.
April. Good. August.
September.
October. December. Wonderful. Let's clap for them. Wonderful. Now you may sit down. As of now, do not remove and sit down at your places. Please sit down. Thank you for watching complete video. I am sure you like the video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the bell icon and don't forget to share with your students, your friends, and whosoever is a teacher or a student. Keep on coming to my channel and make me complete the target of getting more and more subscribers. Bye bye. See you in another video.